Hey guys, okay, today I am going to be teaching you how to make a working bird trap. And just so you know, I have to hold my camera up like this so my face isn't dark. If I hold it down, it's like my face is really, really dark. So I'm not trying to show off just by doing that, okay? Alright, what you're going to need for this trap is just a box and this is also what you need. Just a stick and then put some bait around it. Whatever birds, squirrels, rabbits eat. And yeah, I have a lot of rabbits, birds, a lot of squirrels. I've actually just found one dead over there a couple of days ago. So yeah, and how you set this up and so the wind doesn't knock it down, I'm gonna tell you how you do that. Oh yeah, since you have like a little extra part right here where the bait isn't on, or like right here, just dig a hole so this could stay in the ground, and you could just put this on like that. It won't even come off because it's just strong like that. And yeah. So I'm gonna put this in the ground and I'm coming back whenever I'm finished. And also, you gotta make sure it's kind of loose. So whenever anything like tries to eat it, it'll knock over. So make it really loose, but then also make it so where the wind can't knock it down. And just like. And yeah. And then just put your box over it. And then, there you go. You have a working bird trap. And I will be making another video how to make a real fidget spinner, like a fidget spinner like this. The bearing, the caps, everything. So, oh wow, look at that. It's so cool. It's actually spinning really fast. That looks so cool. Yeah. Dude. That looks sick. But yeah, and I will probably be doing something else today. Can't do much, it's about the rain, and I just wanted to get a quick YouTube video done. So yeah, oh yeah, well I'm gonna probably go now. So yeah, just a fun little life hack that you could do if like you're obsessed with birds. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, and subscribe to my channel. Oh, by the way, I'm giving away this fidget spinner, and I am making more so I can give them away. I'm gonna give away 15 fidget spinners. Just comment down below what color you want, and yeah, I will be sure to give it away. And yeah, deuces, my friends.